Fit Pro, what if I told you that doing online Zoom fitness coaching is zooming you away from having a real fitness coaching business? That's exactly what I'm going to talk about in this video. So stay with me. I'm going to give you guys some really good tactical tips on how you can get away from this broken business model that you're trading time for dollars, that you're sitting there dreading to do the sessions. Okay, so stay with me on this and really think about how you're going to want to get out of this model and pivot away from it and get into a more sustainable, profit-rich business model with true online coaching, which I'm going to talk about right now. All right, Fit Pro, so here is exactly why Zoom fitness coaching is zooming your clients away. Okay, look, I know that what you're doing with Zoom fitness coaching, it's the only way that you know right now because of the way things have shifted, with the way the new fitness landscape is. Gyms are closed. We don't know if they're going to open back up. We don't know if consumers are going to go back into the gyms and train like they normally did, right? So this is what's happening is Zoom fitness coaching is becoming the new in-person one-to-one or group style coaching, right? Again, you're serving people, you're helping people out. It's great, right? But at the same time, it's a broken business model for you because you're not able to scale because there's only so much time in the day and only so many clients you can really take on Zoom sessions, right? Yes, you can do them in the comfort of your home. Yes, you can do them on your time. You have to go back to the gym and do the split schedule or anything like that. But again, it's a broken model because you're trading time for dollars. You're depending on them showing up. You have to motivate them so hard and you have to sit there and see if they're going to actually show up and pay you or not, right? So it's a broken business model, okay? So here is the new opportunity for you. That new opportunity is true online fitness coaching, okay? We did true online fitness coaching for literally 8 years, served over thousands of clients, right? Not once did we go and do a Zoom or a Skype session training a client like that. We really didn't, right? So this is exactly what we're teaching our Dynamic Fit Pro students is get away from the Zoom coaching model and get into more of a sustainable, profitable, and really kind of consistent and predictable income type of model like this, which is true online coaching, okay? I'm not saying you have to completely ditch the Zoom thing. You just have to put it into a business model that works for you, that really secures your time and your value, okay? Now, here are 6 different things on why you want to implement this true online fitness coaching model, okay? The first one is coaching model and system. You have to be a really good coach that understands training and nutrition. You can't just be that trainer that just gets them a workout anymore. Right now, things are shifting, so you have to understand nutrition. You have to understand how to train people as far as like a program to where they can follow in the gym and individualize everything for them, okay? So there has to be something like that. The second thing is the delivery process. You have to be able to deliver this individualized training and nutrition program to the client now, okay? The third thing is an accountability system. How are you going to check in with them? Is it going to be through like a Zoom? Is it going to be like a phone call? Is it going to be through text, a Facebook group, something like that, right? The next one is answer questions process, okay? Are you going to answer questions through email, through text, through a Facebook group, through a WhatsApp group, through audio, right? You have to have something like that to where they can ask questions and you can answer them, okay? The fifth thing is client experience and results. Not only now, more than ever, do you have to give them a client experience because you're not in person with them. You have to really double down on that and understand how to do that. And we teach you exactly how to do that, right? And you have to get the results. This ties back with you being a good coach of understanding individualization with training and nutrition, okay? The sixth thing is a 6-figure business model so you can scale, so you can be more profitable, so you can productize this whole thing, and you can have predictable and consistent income as an online fitness coach and business owner. All right, thank you so much for watching that video. Hopefully you got some value out of that on why doing online Zoom coaching is zooming you away from having a profitable, scalable fitness business. Hopefully you got some good tactics on that you can put into practice and get away from that model. If you really want to get out of that model, make sure to click the link below. We actually have our Fit Pro digital business kit that has literally all the 5 tools that you need to get yourself out of that model and start pivoting away from it so you can build the true online coaching model, make more income, impact, influence, independence as a fitness professional. So check out the link below and we'll see you guys in the next video.